Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of January. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. As it is journal reading, it might or might not resonate. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life. Trust me. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. If you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasani@gmail.com. The previous mail is not working anymore. Okay, let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Seven of Pentacles. So it's like someone is waiting and watching from a distance. They're hoping for some kind of results to come out of this situation. Okay, it's like waiting and watching. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Sun and the Six of Swords and the Hierophant. Someone is feeling like they should wait and watch for the time when everything is going to be sorted between you guys, when there will be a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys were facing in the situation, especially if you guys were married or committed to each other or it was a very serious kind of a deal. If not, this person is feeling like they should wait for the time when they will be able to come towards you with a clean and clear cut energy, and things can go beyond a certain point in the situation. Okay, take it how it resonates with you according to your energies. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? The Devil. So from your side, you feel trapped in the situation. You feel like the situation is highly toxic or unhealthy or negative, and or you are very obsessed with something or someone here. Let me clarify this card, Devil. Let me clarify this, Devil, here. What is wrong? What is happening? We have the Strength card, the Page of Wands, the Knight of Swords. You're actually feeling very much attracted to the idea of rushing towards something or someone, but you're like stopping yourself. You're stopping yourself continuously, and you're feeling like you should not go in this direction because it will, like, this will happen, that will happen. They're already committed to somebody, they're already having somebody by your side, or maybe you are having somebody by your side. There are lots of ifs and buts and unhealthy kind of patterns in the situation, but the kind of attachment that you're having towards something or someone is kind of a little bit unhealthy, and you're feeling you should not go in that direction, even if your heart and soul and everything is telling you to run and rush towards this particular person or situation. Wow, difficult, very difficult, but you are trying to do that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Scorpio? Tower, their intention is to have the truth, nothing but the truth in the situation. Tower is clarity and the truth. Let's clarify the Tower here. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Lovers. So, honey, this person wants you to give them the final answer of, you want to be with them or not, you want to start this situation connection with them or not, or you are choosing somebody else over them. All they want is the clear naked truth here, nothing but the truth, even if it is going to bother them and hurt them. They want to hear the truth here in the situation between you and them. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Lovers. So from your side, you want to make the right choice, make the right and the wise choice here. Maybe you are having some other option or options too, and or you are trying to make the right choice of whether to give this particular person or situation another shot or not, but you want to make the right choice here with love, with compassion, with your heart and soul, not just being a robot and taking the decision. Let's clarify the Lovers here. We have the moon, the judgment, and the ten of swords. Now, you want to let go of the fear. It's like basically you don't want to make any kind of choice or any kind of decision based on fear, based on this energy of, okay, I should do this because I might die alone, or I will never be able to find a good person. You just don't want to make any kind of wrong decisions here, that's based on fear, or that's based on this energy of, okay, if I'm not going to do this, I will never be able to find love. Just giving you an example, right? So you're scared of, you don't want to be scared all the time about what you should do or what you should not do. You just want to take the right decision here, make the right choice here without fear. Hmm. And you're not even scared of asking for forgiveness if you did something wrong, but you don't want to live in any kind of fear anymore. Okay, that's good, pretty good. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 19th of January, Scorpio. What could be the possible outcome here for you guys? Page of Cups, some kind of message, communication, or apology. Let's clarify this. We have the High Priestess, the Nine of Swords, the Five of Swords. Someone is going to be very tired of all the mind games and all the stressful energies of what should I do, what should I do, what should I do. So somebody is going to finally say something or reveal something or express something to you. Wow. Or it could be you coming out of your head and trying to open up to someone who is trying their best to open up to you. It could be someone else who is trying their best to not to suppress their emotions and talk to you in their head about everything. Instead of that, they feel like they're going to come forward and express their feelings and their energies to you, and that is how it's going to start again. So if somebody is finally opening up to you, you can say, I'm not getting the exact word here, Scorpio, but someone is breaking their silence, you can say, right? The guidance for you guys, the Queen of Pentacles. You have to be in a very stable, mature, and grounded kind of energy before letting this person come back to your life and or letting this person completely go out of your life. You have to have very stable, compassionate, and nurturing kind of energy towards yourself first, and then the other energy also, right? It's very, very important to be in a stable energy, to be in a stable mindset before jumping into any kind of life changing decisions whatsoever, right? Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.